Hello everybody, Cletus here from the Crown Crew. Today I'm gonna present a video to you in English because one of my online buddies, Quini92, he got a MOAB and he made a little video. It's pretty fast, so watch out for those nice kills. And here we go. So as you can see, he's playing with the specialist package and he's getting kills like crazy. Very well done at the start here. And with the Akimbo FMG9's, those close quarter combats are very easy to win. So excellent weapon choice there for some longer range engagements. He's using the UMP silenced. So he's basically the one super soldier for quite a time already. He's using the silencer to make his shots not being visible on the minimap, but for close combat, as we already saw, he's using the FMG9's to their fullest power. So it did slow down a bit, and it's always those parts where it's difficult to maybe figure out where the enemy is and making sure not to die. So he picked up an ACR and finally got that guy as well, who was trying to get him. Definitely like how he is rushing around. For me, this is a perfect MOAB. There are a lot of tutorial videos how you can make an MOAB with camping. So with the motion sensor and the heartbeat sensor and just staying at one spot where you, woo, nice one, where you have a big advantage, and that's fucking gay, to be honest. I mean, camping to get an MOAB, that's like standing around and pissing yourself in the face. That's how interesting it is to watch someone get an MOAB like that. But here we got something very different. Let's get that explosion. Very nicely done, excellent gameplay, dude, congratulations.